Tonight, with an emergency landing at Sarasota-Bradenton International Airport, a twin-engine business jet missing a wheel and a tire landed in a shower of sparks, and moments later, a whirl of dirt and grass. You saw the dramatic.
After circling above the bay to burn off fuel and reduce weight, reporter Paul Lamison in Eagle 8 HD spotted the crippled jet in the evening haze.
He's about to touch down right now.
These are some tense moments for those fire crews waiting on the ground, not to mention, goes without saying, that pilot and whatever people might be on that plane as we speak. He appears to be touching down now.
Oh, look at the sparks.
Yeah.
Wow. This is why fire crews are standing by, and this is also why this aircraft circled for quite some distance.
Outspin. Oh, right into the grass there.
Another exclusive shot, this time from the ground. Crews and police had told the pilot as he took off from Central America the wheel and tire appeared to be missing. The Sarasota tower confirmed what everyone suspected. Just a nub of metal dangled from under the left wing where the landing gear should have been. Sparks fly when the metal meets the runway. Moments later, the plane makes a violent turn to the left when the strut digs into the dirt.
We see the door opening and the pilot, some crew members appearing to get out. Let's see how many people. 1, 2, 3.
3 men and a woman emerged from the cabin, shaken but not injured.
And make it off to the runway and keep the plane upright was a great job on the landing.
In the darkness, crews worked to hoist the plane off the runway.
It's already down. It landed? How bad was it? Hey, let the station know I got it if they need me to feed it in.